Hi guys, just wanted to tell you about the new inverter that I got. I got this from a well-known German supermarket in the middle aisle. I'm sure you know which one it is. Cost me next to nothing. Anyway, it's a 300 watt inverter, and it'll just hook up to the leisure battery, and it just means I can get things like phones charged a little bit quicker, my laptop, any little things. It's quite a portable thing. It's got some fixing mounts yet there, but I haven't yet decided where I'm going to put it. Anyway, easy enough to hook up. It took me all of about 30 seconds. Here's my leisure battery. Hook up the black lead to black, red lead there to red, and you're good to go on the leisure battery. So there we go. Probably can't see that very well, but it is charging. It's also got a couple of USB ports on there as well, 5 volt output ones, so they're good enough for charging your phone and things like that. But quite a handy little thing to have. Doesn't take up too much space. I recommend it.